Okay, guys, sorry I made a video a long time. I am. Okay, look. See that? That's that. That over there.
We're doing one bullet versus that thing.
Yeah. Okay. First head is gonna start.
Cause little is the biggies.
Right. And I'm gonna be right here. If you miss this, you suck ass.
Joy. So this is how you start.
You missed that! My turn. Now where did you shoot the bullet at? Because that's a... What? In the ditch? It's in the ditch. It's not that far. Okay, you lost your chance. Here, start recording. Don't! Record bad.
Okay. So he's over there. You have to go down.
I know I do. Oh, it feels so weird. I missed it.
You missed it.
I'm not gonna make nothing with these shots. Who did that? You got it?
You look at it.
If we miss this, we're going out close and shooting it.
Okay.
Look. Try to look at that. That versus that bullet. To make it easier for Anthony. Look how far he is. He's so far. And it's right here. Okay. You hit the box.
It's still right here.
Okay, you get a retry.
Yeah, because you hit right here.
Hurry up. You still hit the box.
If you hit the box, you get a retry.
What? Wait. Okay. Under recorder, I guess. Go at the go! Brent, I missed this. I zoomed really close for you to see the bullet. You saw that?
Yay!
How bad did it get?
Nice.
It barely didn't dent.
Look! Guys!
Also, I have to zoom it back at it. Okay, now I want to see you dance. Hold this, watch me. Next, we're doing a water bottle.
Next we're gonna do water bottle.
Okay, we're doing water bottle. Oh, come out there. We're gonna get the water bottle. Sorry about it's blurry, but it's still blurry, but it's still okay. Right? Hold this.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna report like that.
Okay, I found it. Close door. Oh, my leg hurts.
Come on. You can have the water bottle open?
Yeah. We splash. Okay. Hector's gonna be over there. No, it's my turn.
No. I won, so I get to do it.
You can shoot. I'll be the cameraman, so I can be up close. Wait, I'm not ready. Don't hit me. You didn't load it? Load it. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it. Okay, go. You suck ass.
Your turn.
We didn't hit the box either. Zoom it out. Make sure you get a real good. Where's the bullet at?
It's right there.
Oh.
The water bottle is open.
Okay, you see the water bottle?
He's really far. He's like next to the car. You have to go on the floor.
Now face it on there. Let me see how you record. Do it. Zoom it in. Where they can really see the action. Yeah, there. That's good. Keep it on there. You hit it.
A little bit on the top.
You hit it, but missed. Why?
You can try again.
Yeah. That's just got like 50 times.
So he's there. And we're gonna try to.
Zoom it in.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
You missed it on top.
Okay, my turn.
No! I dropped my phone. I have to clear my phone. Wait. It's clear. You don't know where the bullet's at? I think it's we lost it. Let me see the.
Right here.
Okay.
Come on.
Do you know where the bullet's at? But you just tricked me to come over here. You better hit this thing. If this thing doesn't, if you don't hit this, we're doing an upgrade to it.
We're gonna put it closer.
No. Okay, pause. Wait, I need to get zoom in so I can get the action. Okay. The mosquitoes are on me. Wait. Go.
Go.
You missed it.
I always do it. I always hit the top edge.
Go get it. Okay, we're doing something because you always hit the top edge. Y'all see this from the other one? Didn't have to hit that so hard, so well.
Yeah.
Hopefully that thing doesn't fall. Well, I hope we fall when we shoot it, but it doesn't fall when we're not even shooting it. Hurry up.
Yeah, I'm rocking loading it.
Hurry up, the mosquitoes are getting me. Ow! My foot! Hurry up. Okay, get ready? Let me zoom it in. I'm ready?
Yep.
You hit it, but it didn't do nothing. It moved back a little bit. It moved back. I hope it will explode. But here, hold it. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna do something, and that better work.
He's gonna throw that gun at him. At the water bottle. You're gonna throw that gun. Right? You're gonna throw that gun after it doesn't work. So he's over there, right? He's over there.
Get up close. We don't have to get that close. Just zoom in. Does it zoom in?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I'm wet. I'm wet, guys. I'm wet.
The phone's wet. The phone's wet. I have to wipe the phone. Sorry if it's blurry. But look how hard I hit that shot. I did not hit it with my hand. I definitely did not do that. Woo!
Yes, do it.
That was crazy. Now we just smash the box! My shoe! My shoe! When are we gonna need it for more loot? The box got destroyed by the Gone, we shot the box.
Okay. It's time to...
Well, that's the end of our video. That's after me. Go check out his channel.